Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your event promotion with Eventbrite easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Eventbrite account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Eventbrite website. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button on your dashboard. Choose the type of event you're hosting, whether it's an in-person gathering, online event, or a series. Fill in the essential details such as event name, date, time, and location. Make sure to provide a compelling event description to attract attendees. Next, upload an eye-catching event image that represents your theme. Scroll down to the ticketing section to set up your ticket types. You can offer various ticket options such as free, paid, or donation-based tickets. Set the pricing and any applicable fees for your tickets. After completing the ticket settings, move on to the event page design. Customize your event page with features like color schemes and layout options. Make sure to include a registration link that directs attendees to sign up easily. Next, integrate social media sharing buttons on your event page. This will allow attendees to promote your event within their networks effortlessly. Once you are satisfied with the settings, save your event details. Now, it's time to publish your event page to make it live. After the event is published, share the link across all your social media platforms. Consider using targeted ads on platforms like Facebook to reach a wider audience. Lastly, monitor the ticket sales and attendee engagement through your Eventbrite dashboard. This will help you to make necessary adjustments leading up to your event. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your event promotion with Eventbrite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.